Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing great. Guys, this question was posted on Facebook page just 8 hours ago. Here you can see just 8 hours ago. And many people are giving a wrong answer. That's why I am here. So in this video, we will be discussing about the right answer of this question. But before that, let me tell you something about my upcoming live batch, right? So as many people are getting benefit from my training, I am going to start a new fresh batch of CCNA 200301 from 1st of January. From 1st of Jan 2023. So in new year, right? Okay. So this batch will be for 45 days. 45 days, right? So we will meet live for 2 hours a day and for next 45 days. That means we will meet live for 90 hours, right? And in this 90 hours, I will make you perfect to get job in good MNC company. I will make you perfect to get CCNA certification, right? I will make you understand each and everything from very basic to at good level, right? Suppose at CCNP level, just like I will discuss BGP as well, right? In this 45 days, I will discuss OSPF areas concept as well, like NSSA area, stub area, right? These are advanced things. I will also discuss wireless. I will also discuss automation, right? And we will be also discussing about virtualization, right? Just I will give you overview to virtualization, right? So if anyone is interested, right, because many people are asking on WhatsApp that when batch will start. So if anyone is interested, please let me know on my WhatsApp, and my WhatsApp number is +918511826341. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me directly on this number that I am interested, and enroll yourself as soon as possible, right? Enroll yourself as soon as possible, because in one batch I am allowing only 10 students, right? Only 10 students, so that we can interact with each other, right? If there will be more people, right, it's not possible to answer uh, to everyone question, right? So that's why I am allowing only 10 students in one batch. So next batch is starting from 1st of January. Anyone is interested, you can enroll. And guys, live training is completely different, right? There we will interact, you will ask question, and within my capacity every time I will try my best to answer to your question, right? And always keep in mind, if I am promising X, that means I always try to deliver 10x, right? So don't worry anything, don't think about fee, right? Fee is just 80 USD dollar, right? And in Indian, if you will convert it, it will be approximately 7,000, right? 7,000, not much, anyone can pay, right? Many people are buying laptop, many people are buying expensive mobile, right? But when people need to invest on their self to learn something, right? So they think a lot. So don't think to invest 7,000. This is just a filter, right? Because if there will be no money, I cannot identify serious people. So if you are serious, you will pay this amount, and once you will pay, you will get one call from my side, where we will discuss each and everything about live training. Actually, how I am conducting live training, I am adding 10 people in one WhatsApp group, where I will share notes, everyday class recorded video, right? Everyday classroom link, right? And everyday interview question, everyday exam question, right? Multiple choice question. And apart from these, right, if you are my paid student, you have to be active on my Facebook page, on my Telegram, group, right, on LinkedIn, because on this platform I am posting question every day, right? So once you will develop habit to share your answer, definitely in 45 days you will have good command on technical skill, right? And apart from this, I will encourage you, I will force you to improve your communication skill as well, because my communication skill is also not good and I am also working on it, and now I am getting benefit as well. Guys, I don't have much experience in industry, but I have 3 years of experience in MNC. In 3 years, I have worked in various MNC company. So I understand the practical use of what you will be learn. Okay. I have just completed my graduation in 2018, right? So you can calculate my experience. After graduation, I am working, right? And from last 2 years, I am teaching. So definitely my writing is not good because I don't have teaching experience much, but my technical knowledge is good, right? I can make you understand technology. Okay. So if anyone have some love for networking, enroll yourself, right, as soon as possible. Okay guys, now let's discuss about this question. So question is which, so guys, see, first of all, understand question very carefully. Whenever you will go for CCNA exam, right, uh, your option will be like similar. You will think that okay, answer A is also right, answer B is also right, answer C is also right. So you have to understand question very carefully. So first of all, within your capacity, try to understand question, right? Don't think any, and don't think about answer while you are understanding question, right? Keep the answer option aside. If you are preparing for a CCNA exam, this is just a small tips. This is a small tip which I am giving to my paid student in live batch, in live session. See, what first rule is, you have to keep the option aside, right, for a while you will understand question. So while reading question, don't see option. First of all, understand question very carefully. So, and I also doing same, right? Or actually in last year I have it, I did CCNA certification 2 times, right, twice by myself. And both time I apply same technique. This is my rule number one, that don't think anything about options while understanding question. So within my capacity, first I try to understand question. Okay. So see, question is what? Which subnet mask would be used? Means which subnet mask would be used if 5 host bits are available. So as you know, IPv4 address, size of IPv4 address is 32 bits, right? So out of these 32 bits, 5 host bits are available, right? 5 host bits are available. That means tell me how many network bits are there, right? This IPv4 address is combination of two things, network bits and host bit. So if I am saying that 5 host bits are available, that means 23 network bits are there. Am I right? And what will be the slash notation for 23 network bits? Slash notation will be slash 27, right? Means in first octet all bits is on, in second octet all bits is on, in third octet all bits is on, and in fourth octet how many bits is on? 8 plus 8 plus 8, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 5 bits are host off, 1 2 3 4 5, right? Now tell me what will be the subnet mask of this binary? 255, 255, 255, and 224. So which answer is right? Option D, right? So option D is right answer of this question. So see here, people who is saying that option D is very good, you guys are right, but many less people are saying answer D is right? So see, first answer from Ajmer, a dot 248. So Ajmer, no, it will be dot 224. Hope now you got my point, right? How option D is right. Okay. After that, you can see here also I have correct in comment. After that again, proud Indian is saying C. So no proud Indian. It's D. Then GMS is saying D. Yes, very good. So whatever your name, I am not able to pronunciate it correctly. So your answer is absolutely right. Answer D is right. Here is C no, C no, A. Oh my God. No dear, it's D. Okay. So if you will check comment section, right? Here many people are giving wrong answer. So whenever I see many people are giving wrong answer, that time I am making video. Okay guys. So that's all for today. We will meet soon in next video. And till then, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. If you want video on any topic, right, you can let me know in comment as well. Okay. And if you are interested for live session, just meet live guys, that will be amazing, right? Okay, so bye bye, we will meet soon in next video.